Morning guys, it's almost 10 o'clock already. Walking, I just dropped my mother-in-law and I walked going back home. And it's very hot like crazy. I think it's 91 degree already. That's why I'm sitting. When I get back home, I'm almost home. So I'm just going to take a shower. And later, I'm not gonna walk. I'm gonna wait for her call. Anyway, today is, what is today? Today is Wednesday. July? Is it July already? July 2, yeah, I guess. 2014. And yeah. I'll see you later. Did you see that I'm sweating already here? Yeah. Bye, guys. Anyway, I'm listening Papa Jack, Philippine radio. I'm ready to pick up my mother-in-law. Somebody's calling me. That's scary. That's scary, guys. Sounds like somebody's calling me in my nickname that only my friend and my family knows. My husband knows it already, but call me Ging. That's weird. I'm nervous. I'm alone. This house is 100-year-old. I'm very nervous. Holy cow. I did really heard it. Ging. Let me look what's in the mail today. Wow. Okay, Tommy. What's it? I don't have none. But yeah, I'm waiting for her to call me that I can call the cab. Yeah. I'm not good. I'm not the woman in love, and I do anything to get you into my world and hold you waiting. It's tonight I depend, over and over again. Not all central air conditioning system made it through this brutal winter. Did yours? Reminder to self, don't forget to call Innovative Air Resolution for maintenance on the cooling system. What is this? Oh, maybe my husband can look to that. Yeah, because that's him. My husband doesn't really look his mail. So as a wife, he told me to do it for him because he doesn't like looking papers. So I have to look all the mail for him. And if there's something important, I'll show it to him. And if there's a lot of garbage he received, like car offer him to buy a new car. So that's garbage. Open it with one hand. Hold on a minute. Okay, I did open it. I get something from work. So I hope she'll call me soon. What time is it already? I forgot. It's 1:21. It's almost my hair, guys. It's rebonded. See the different this is the rebonded area. You can see, right? This is very smooth over here, straight. When I get back to the Philippines, I will do rebond again to make it straight. I like my hair, and I want it to be black, dark, as in black. You can tell the difference, right? It's wavy. Look, if I do if I do it like that, this is very straight, smooth, and here you can see the hair is like it doesn't see it all. Yeah, it's very long. Don't do relax. Relax is going to damage your hair. Just go to the salon that will do rebanding. But excuse me. but before you go to before you reband your hair, you have to ask them to show you the product that they will apply into your hair, because that's what I usually do. I was working in salon and I know what product. It's Willa or Matrix, but the Willa is the stronger one. It's very hot outside, and yeah, this is what I'm wearing. And I'm not gonna kill the air conditioning, or maybe I will later. It's not good. I hope she'll call me soon. No, anyway, my husband told me something about my package, and let me turn the light on that you guys can see. Okay, I don't know if you still can see. Look, this package. My husband told me something about the chocolate. I sent a lot of chocolates, and here, this here is a box, another box. This is all chocolate. The chocolate, it's more fun for them, and of course the kids, the toys, and plus chocolate, toys and chocolate, kids heaven. Oh, my video, I forgot. I'm sorry. I'll see you later. Bye bye. Oh, did I show you that, guys? I made that one, that small one, the angel. I made that one. Yeah, I made that and give it to my husband. It's a cross stitch. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, I'm here outside at the shade under the tree, waiting for a cab. Oops. This tree, I hope you see the previous vlog I have with the snow. We love to play in this area here, and this tree is very pretty, and I have a hammock. I don't know if this is still good, because look, this, oh, it's it's still strong, but it's still strong. Look, this one here, look, the white stuff here. This one, the whole thing is still strong, but just the white thing in the side, it's not good. Again, I'm listening to Philippine radio. Papa Chuck.
Unicorn Pad 21. Bearing 625 north, pad 625 north.
செஞ்சா அவ்வளோ மூஞ்சி கை காலெல்லாம் ஒரு ஜாலியாக வைத்துல மூஞ்செல்லாம் நல்லா
25 Davenport 24.
I'm going to the basement. I'm going to the basement to pick up something. To get something. I heard my cat running. Yes, come here! Up the home! Come here! Oh no, baby, no! Just not on my. This cat, look at that. This cat is always crying now, looking for mama. Now come here. Give mama a hug. Give mama a hug. Give mama a hug. Give mama a hug. This is what he wanted. He's like a baby. I promise you guys. This cat is spoiled. Look at this. Every time he's crying and he's looking for me, it's just like crying, meow, very like meow, and then he want to be carried and dance like this. And if he's done, he will just jump and go back to sleep. Yeah, this is my baby. He is really like a baby. He really is like a human baby. I love my hubby. I love. He's just. Oh my god! I feel like I'm having a kid, a real kid. Now he's done. He's done. He's done. You jumpy. Yeah, he's done. You stay there, okay? I'm going to the basement to get something. You stay over here, okay? I know. I'll be back. I have to close this because if I don't close this, he will follow me and go to the basement, and then I can't find him. Okay, it's dark here. Anyway, that's the Tommy and mine. I washed that and I hung all Tommy's stuff. I hung all Tommy's shirt. I hung on the jeans except the underwear and what else? So I'm looking for the salad. The Litos. This one is we have this one, but I don't know. I don't like it. I mean, people love it, but I'm not liking it. Yeah, and we have a lot of different stuffs over there, like shelf. Okay, get this. Oh, this is already. Oh shit. Celery. Bring that up. And this is the bread. I like this bread. Okay, I might bring some. What else? We have that. Okay, I'm gonna get more of this. This one, onion, red onion, because I like red onion into my salad. And what else? Carrots. We have carrots here. No, we have carrots here. Hold on. Where are you, carrots? I can't find you. Is the carrots upstairs? I guess. Carrots, where are you, carrots? Where are you? Okay. I bring this upstairs. This cheese bread. Oh, this bread is mini cheese Danish. Oh, I'm gonna bring watermelon. Okay, I'll be back, guys.